Affirmations are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself daily. They can help you focus your thoughts and keep you motivated throughout the day. With these affirmations, you'll be able to attract positive people into your life and make new friends effortlessly. Repeat the affirmations after me. I am happy and content with where I am in my life. I am attracting positive people and new friends into my life. I am surrounded by people who care about me. I am worthy of being loved and being a friend to others. I am surrounded by people who are confident and share my interests. I am surrounded by people who are supportive and inspiring. I am good with people and have happy friends. I keep drawing in amazing, uplifting people. I am thankful of the lovely individuals in my life. I hang out with the like-minded and motivating people. I spend my time with open-minded people and make new friendships. I am surrounded by people who are good for me. The people who I am drawn to are caring and supportive. I keep drawing in amazing, uplifting people. I deserve to be surrounded by dependable and powerful individuals. I place a lot of value on being likable. I am appreciative of the lovely friends in my life. I hang out with people who are just like me. I have a natural connection with those around me that share my interests. People are drawn to me because I am open-minded and caring. I am a magnet for people who are thoughtful, friendly, and supportive. I am a magnet for positive people. I have a beautiful life. I have wonderful friends. I like spending time talking to new individuals. I pick pleasant and upbeat folks to hang out with. I attract amazing people into my life. I love to be surrounded by positive people. I am a wonderful person. I learned how to draw the right people into my life. I make the decisions to surround myself with good people. New friends are attracted to me. I find it easy to make new friends. People are attracted to me because I am an interesting person. I am always meeting new people who want to be my friend. I am surrounded by supportive people. My friends are the best. I enjoy the company of my friends. My friendships are healthy and fulfilling. I have amazing people in my life. I like getting to know new, fascinating people. Both I and others appreciate one another. I am a good friend. I am funny. I am happy and kind. I am confident. I have learned about the various ways to attract the perfect individuals into my life. I make the decision to surround myself with positive people. People who feel empowered come to me. I am always surrounded by new friends. I am constantly meeting new people. When I speak to new individuals, I am at ease. I deserve to be surrounded by dependable and powerful individuals. I place a lot of value on being likable. People are attracted to me. People are always coming up to me and introducing themselves. People come to me easily and naturally to me. I am open and available to make new friends with people who are positive and happy. I am a confident, intelligent person who is attractive and likable. I'm easygoing and funny. I have many interests to share with my new friends. I am accepting of other people's differences. I couldn't live without my friends in my life. I like spending time talking to new individuals. I am kind, caring, and compassionate. I'm so excited that I met a new interesting person. Both I and others appreciate one another. When I speak to new individuals, I am at ease. I have many hobbies to share with my new friends. I am open to meeting new people and making new friends. Affirmations are powerful words that we can use to improve our lives. Remember to recite the affirmations every day for a new you. Thank you for watching.